I'm Carol Nagel, and I'm a patient of Dr. Stoner's. I'm 71 years old, and usually most people this age are maybe a little bit hesitant to try anything that's new and different, but it's made a world of difference. About a year ago is when I first came to visit him and to see what needed to be done. My own dentist had done the little peri probes, and I know the numbers, and a couple of them weren't too good. I had some very deep pockets in my gums where the gum was pulling away from the tooth and causing, well, that could lead to bacteria getting in there, and also it does damage the bone. And so I had asked him for the name of a periodontist because I felt I needed to come and see one. 1999, we were living in Maryland, and at that time I was referred to a periodontist. So I had the procedure, laser surgery, done before, and I asked my dentist, I said, only if you give me a periodontist that does laser surgery, because I'd had such a good experience from that before that I figured that's what I wanted. And absolutely, there was no pain then, and there was no pain with Dr. Stoner. I'm kind of interested in procedures, so I'd even asked Dr. Stoner, could I please have a mirror so I can watch the procedure? And he does offer you sedation if you feel you need that, but I didn't. I wanted to see what was going on. I can't quite explain it, but they go in, or he goes in, and they actually form a clot. And then of course you have to be very careful after that for a while and not, brush or do anything or floss or anything like that in the areas they've worked at. But he gives you thorough instructions. When I went to have the procedure done, they even offered me a blanket that if I felt I needed one, and they were all so kind. I told Dr. Stoner I'd be happy to give a recommendation for him to anybody who might. I told him that you can have him call me. I will be happy to talk to him and to assure them that there's absolutely nothing to be concerned about, that it's all, and it's important to have it done. There's a lot of people walking around who need this procedure, but for whatever reason, mostly because they're scared of the word laser, but I can assure you it's not a bad experience at all. One of the most important places in your body to make sure that there's no infection or problems going on is in your mouth, and they've even discovered that has a lot to do with whether people have heart attacks or other various ailments. So this is why I would tell anybody, no matter what age you are, that this is absolutely painless. Dr. Stoner is absolutely just, you feel like you're coming in to see a friend. It's not a doctor-patient so much. The whole staff in this place is wonderful. They all seem to have one goal in mind, and that is to make the patient comfortable. And you just look around in this place and you can see it. There's home-baked cookies and either hot chocolate or coffee for here in the waiting room. When have you ever been to a doctor's office and been in their restroom and found rolled up towels? And it's more like going to a spa than anything else.